Hello, everyone. During this time of the COVID-19 pandemic, many businesses have temporarily closed their offices and have been working from home. Control Janitorial is still operating as one of the essential businesses providing critical services to businesses that are still in operation. We're stepping up our usual cleaning services with daily disinfection of telephones, keyboards, desktops, horizontal surfaces, and door frames, to mention a few items. We all know by now that physical distancing and frequent hand washing are essential to stopping the spread of the virus. And if you're wondering, our cleaners take the greatest caution to only work in offices where there's no one present after hours so they can work uninterrupted. We're continuing to work on your behalf to ensure that your workplace is a safe and clean environment to work in. If you have any questions about how we work or would like a quote to deep clean and disinfect your office, please call Dawn at the number listed below. Thank you for your time, and we hope you're keeping well and safe from possible infections.